What is up? It's Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. In a good mood today. I have a friend coming over, and we're about to go to the Nebraska football game, the Nebraska Huskers. Not that I'm a Nebraska fan, but it's always a fun atmosphere, so looking forward to that. Not only that, but in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make money right now with tech channels. So it's not even something where you have to be monetized or anything. You can start doing this and start making money right now today. So if you're not doing this, the only thing holding you back is yourself, because there is no excuse other than you're being lazy and not doing it, because it's something that you can do right now today with no excuses. So I can't wait. Right here is called 10 best ones. Okay, so as you can see right here, literally they are literally getting 976,000 video views in the last 30 days. So they're literally averaging about 1 million freaking views in literally a month, okay? And so they're not really doing much with the ad revenue, or else Social Blade's not good at estimating it. I'm not really sure if this channel in particular is monetized or not, but it doesn't really matter, because what they do is they really make a ton of money off affiliate marketing. So this is where I'm telling you guys, you could do this right now today. So if we go ahead and we click on any one of these top 10 gaming desks, right? So tons of people look for gaming desks, right? But how many people make videos on gaming desks, like the top gaming desks? Not very many, right? But there's tons of people that search for that kind of stuff, right? And it looks like they do have ads. And it doesn't necessarily mean that they are making the money off it, because YouTube does put ads now on channels that aren't monetized. But anyway, as you can see right here, all they do is basically go and they find specs, right? Specs, which is just like the explanation of the product or whatever, right? And they just literally narrate over the video, where they literally get these clips, and you wonder, where did they get these clips from? So you don't have to own the products. And you'll notice if you watch this channel that they do not own these products. All they do is go and find these literally straight from YouTube. So they're finding these clips straight from YouTube, and then they're literally just putting them in the video. Then they're going to Google and typing in specs for these desks, and then literally they're just reading over it. It's really simple to do. You can just take your phone and literally read over the specs while you show pictures. It is extremely easy to do. And I'm going to show you a free editor in a little bit that you can use to do it. But it's really easy to do. And then whether they're making money on ads or not, which I assume they are, and Social Blade's wrong, because they got voiceovers and all that, so I don't see why it wouldn't. All you want to do is make sure that you keep these videos within 15 seconds. So each video, each clip that you show within 15 seconds, because then you stay within fair use guidelines, which is very important today. And so, you know, in that new course that I just showed you guys, that one, I actually show you how to actually stay within fair use and things like that, because I have had issues with my channels a couple years ago, and I literally, you know, changed the way that I did everything to make sure that I'm good with today and today's policies. So if you want to learn how to actually do that, which people ask me every single day, I can't just type it all out. There's a lot of steps to it. That's why I have that course, but I made it really affordable for all you guys. And so if you look right here, look at the affiliate, all these affiliate links. So that's the best part about this. So you come up with an idea like, okay, people search for gaming desks all the time, right? But there's not very many videos on it. So first of all, I can get a lot of views on this. Second of all, if anyone types gaming desks into YouTube, I'm going to be probably ranked number 1. Third of all, if they're searching for gaming desks, they're probably looking to buy a gaming desk. So they'll probably take whatever one I say is number 1, or whichever one I say is most affordable for them. And they're going to literally, it doesn't matter which one they pick out of the video, because I have an affiliate link for all of them. And the coolest part is, if somebody clicks this link, they don't even have to buy that. If they buy anything within the next 30 days, you get a commission for sending them to Amazon as a whole. So there's no excuse for you guys not to be putting together a video just like this. Go ahead and study them, right? And people are like, oh, I can't do that. Yes, you can. Go to the channel, watch it yourself, and then literally study how they put it together and learn how to do it, because you can quit your job. You can literally live for yourself and literally live the life you want to live with no schedule at all if you literally just buckle down and freaking do this, all right? And then again, you can start right now today, because you don't need to be monetized. You will get your channel monetized if you follow the guidelines the way that I show you how to do them. But regardless, you're going to make money off affiliate marketing anyways if you do this the right way. And all it is finding the things that people search for that don't have that much competition that you can rank first for. You see what I'm saying? And so the second channel I have for you is Future Tech. So this channel right here, as you can see, 392 1,000 views in the last 30 days. All right. And again, I'm pretty freaking sure they're making a lot more money than that. Social Blade sucks. My channels, they're not even close. I make way more than what Social Blade says. But anyways, so if we go and look at this one, you'll see that what they're doing is literally just putting in basically advertisements. So what they're doing is they're taking advertisements from products, right?
Are you ready to take a look at some new gadgets?
So they're showing clips from advertisements, right? And if you think about it, and they're doing the same thing, they're doing the voiceovers and all that. And if you think about it, if you're using advertisement videos, there's a lot better chance you're not going to actually get claimed, right? Because of the fact that it's an advertisement, and so why would a company want to claim you when they're not making the advertisement to make money? They're making the advertisement to get the word out, right? So they're not going to claim you, most likely, if you're using an advertisement, because they want people sharing advertisements, because that's free advertising for them, right? And so that's another really good idea of a way that you can do it. And then they're doing the same exact thing, right? They're doing all of these different affiliate offers and things like that. But what they're doing is they're like going to like Kickstart and things like that, and they're finding like really unique products, which makes the videos more interesting and entertaining. And again, those pages still have these sort of videos that you can use, and they're like Kickstarts and things like that. And you can use those videos and put those in here, and you know, it makes your videos unique, right? And so really quickly, I want to give a shout out, by the way, to one of our awesome sponsors at bestchange.com. I have the link down in the description. I've been really into doing e-currency lately because I'm just future-proofing my money for the future. And so as you can see here, this basically monitors exchange rates in several hundred reliable exchangers and equips you with all the information you need to select the best exchanger to transfer your money. And so basically you could say, I want to give Bitcoin and I want to get back Dogecoin, what would that be? What would the exchange rates be? So this is just a really good way to be smart and save money and make as much money as you can from your e-currency. So if you're into e-currency or you're getting into it, there's no reason not to be using bestchange.com. So link down in the description for that. The last channel that I have for you is Quantum Tech. They're definitely making more than $0. I think something's up with Social Blade. But anyways, negative, Social Blade, they suck. Okay, that's definitely not true. Anyways, so they have 9 million subscribers, okay? One video alone made them 3 months ago 88 million views. 88 million views in a video that they posted 3 freaking months ago. Okay, now you want to see what they're doing in this video? Do you hear any commentary? There is no commentary, guys. No commentary. And here's the thing about tech, too, which is something I forgot to mention. Tech videos have really high CPMs, which CPM just basically is how much money advertisers are willing to pay to be on your channel. Okay? Technology is one of the best ones, because think about it. There are so many technology products, right? And a lot of them cost a lot of money. So those tech companies, I mean, think about it. You see tech ads on basically every TV show you watch. Every time you click on something on YouTube, you're seeing technology, right? Apple and all that stuff, right? So much technology, right? So it just common sense wise, if there's a lot of ads and a lot of money to be made in that niche, then the CPM is just going to be higher because there's a lot more advertisements to go around. So anyway, this channel doesn't even do commentary, which I would assume they probably are demonetized. So that's why you want to make sure you're doing these things the right way, which is what I made my course for, because there's no freaking way I want to be demonetized. I want to do ads and I want to do affiliate marketing, which is what I do with my 3 channels. But as you can see, like 88 million, I don't know why in the heck they don't have affiliate offers on here. They might somewhere. I don't know what this is, but they're really missing out if they're not. But anyway, this is another channel that you can study and get an idea of how they're making their content. But put freaking commentary in it. Don't be stupid, right? In 2021 and beyond, that's what you're going to want to and need to do. Now, if you want to put these videos together, this is just one of many free softwares you can use. This one's called DaVinci Resolve 17. Okay, so this is completely free way to edit these videos together. So you just download clips. You literally go to Google, type in YouTube video downloader. You download the videos, right? And then you download this software. You put the videos in, and then you cut them up, and then you can add your commentary, literally record it with your phone, and then, send it to yourself through email or plug it into your computer. Then you put the voiceover on the video, and that's literally it. There's no excuse for you guys not to be doing this right here. So if you literally are serious about actually making money on YouTube and quitting your job and living the life you've always wanted to live, then you're going to have to do a little bit of work, all right? And this is about the easiest way to do it. And if you say, oh, I don't want to wait 3 months to make money, well, first of all, wouldn't you like to make $30,000 3 months from now? Second of all, you don't have to wait because you can do this affiliate marketing stuff right now. Go find yourself some low competition, high search volume keywords that people are searching for, make a top 5, put some affiliate offers, and you can get an affiliate link right now today that you can use. If people click on it, you make